Who's that girl with that megaphone? Oh, it is Fancy Christine. So why don't you like and subscribe?
Hey guys, it's your girl, the Fancy Christine. But you know what? That was a bad one. You can call me Fancy. That's okay. So today we're trying a new angle because we're gonna focus on the eyes. It's a fun angle. It's definitely closer than normal. You're definitely gonna be able to see up my nose better, and you're definitely gonna be able to see more chins whenever you can see my chin. I think I actually got it at a good angle where you can't see my chin though. Anyway, so today I'm gonna try to recreate an eye. So this is kind of weird right now because the mirror is right below my phone, so I can see my eyes in the phone and my mouth in the mirror. It's tripping me up, yo. Also, I had way too much coffee today. Anyway, so I just want to focus on the eyes today. There is a look that I saw on Instagram that is fabulous, and I wanted to see if I could recreate it, at least like get close to it. So here's the look along with the person's name who created the original look. And so I'm going to try to recreate that. So here we go. I'm going to use a couple of products from AOA that I haven't used in a long time. These are $1 each on, okay, you can still see my brows. Good. I'm using the light that Jesus is providing me today. Don't have any lights on in my house. So we're just going to try to outline what we've got here. So we're going to get our concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape, my go-to. And then I just get right under there. And it just makes it look so much sharper. Yes, honey. Sharpen that brow. So we're literally just like, look at that, look at the difference. We're just like fixing the mistakes that we made. I'm also going to put more concealer on my eyelid as an eye primer, since I did not do that before, but right now we're just carving. We're carving. Okay, so now, man, I use my phone as my camera, and the picture of the eye look is on the camera. Do I remember what it looks like? I don't know. I had to stop and go back and look at the picture because I couldn't remember if I remembered what it looked like, or I didn't know if I remembered what it looked like. Okay, so we are gonna achieve this look by using my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. We got our purple, we got our pink, we got some orange, we got some yellow. I think there was a little tiny bit of yellow in the middle corner. Yeah, so here we go. So I'm gonna dip into that. Let me think. Yeah, I need to dip into the purple first. The purple is gonna go all over. So much purple. I think I'm actually gonna use my packing brush for my purple because that's gonna go all over the lid. Okay, we are purpled. Now I am going to take my blending brush and get a little bit more of the purple on there to blend it out a little bit more evenly, because that packing brush does not give this blended effect. Do you see the difference? So just, I didn't dip in very much, like just a light dip. A light dip. We're gonna do it to the side too. Yes, queen. Get that wing, girl. Now, In their picture, it looked like they taped it off. I ain't doing that. So mine's not gonna be as precise as theirs is. But that's okay. I don't feel like it needs to be super precise. But now we're gonna take, oh my gosh, I literally can't. I'm just dropping everything. I'm gonna clean off my brush with my sponge in a tin can. And I am going to take that same palette and use the pink down at the bottom by the purple. And we're gonna put it right like in the purple and on top of it. Yes. Keeping it higher the more that we go out, like on the outside of the eye. Oh, what can I say? No, stop. I keep singing that song. I'm not supposed to do that. We're just gonna blend it right into the purple, dude. Yes. I'm gonna take it down into the purple. I'm not really trying to put it any higher than what I've already got the purple, because I think I started off kind of high. I dig it. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing. Oh, you're welcome. Do you like that shot? Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Don't be afraid of color, people. So many people just wear brown eyeshadow, which is fine. I like brown eyeshadow, but like, let's get some color in our lives, okay? So now we're gonna dip into that orange, that same palette, and we're gonna go up even higher, but still blending in with that pink. Yes, honey. It's like in my eyebrow. You're welcome, everyone. What can I say? I'm gonna try to keep the orange higher up because I noticed that on the bottom it's just purple and pink. So I'm gonna keep that orange up here where it belongs. I love colors. I might use too much orange, but you know what? It's fine. I do what I want. I am gonna dip into the yellow a little bit, because like I said, I think they used just a tiny little bit of yellow, like up here. Can you even see it? I don't know, because oh, I can see it. There you are, yellow. Come out and play. Okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, yellow. I see you. Can't really see it in the camera that well, but I can see it in person, so that's fine. Okay, this girl. I dig it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the underneath. And I am going to use this little smudgy brush. It is perfect for underneath the under eye area. And I got this from, it was in my BoxyCharm. So yay. Yay, BoxyCharm. So we're gonna dip into that purple. And and their under eye is fierce. So we're gonna do it right. I wonder if my neighbors ever walk by and hear me doing these videos and they're like, what is she doing? Probably, but it's fine. Filling in some spots I see up here, purple. Okay, now I'm gonna clean off my brush and go in underneath with the pink. Didn't mean to flip you off, sorry about it. Okay. Now we're gonna blend some pink into that purple underneath our eye. Same palette, same colors. Girl, this is a look. I like it. I'm bringing it way down. I'm trying to think. Was the blue on top or the green on top? I'm gonna have to go look. Blues on top, greens on bottom. Had to check it out. And I don't have clear glitter. I do somewhere, I just don't know where it is. So we're gonna use silver in the corner, and it's gonna be fierce. So we're gonna start with the top, and I said blue was on top. So this is the blue I'm using, and I'll try to use it sparingly to get the look that they had in the picture, but we'll see. Oh yes, queen. Oh my goodness. Living for this love. I should just wear glitter as eyeliner all the time, because why not? I'm just getting glitter all over my lashes. Who's that girl with that makeup on? Oh, it is Fancy Christine. So why don't you like and subscribe? That's right. Okay, now we're gonna go to the bottom and do some green right underneath our eye. It's not gonna hurt at all. It's gonna be great. Oh, can't see. Sorry, I'm trying. My phone's about to die, so if it dies while I'm doing this, I'm gonna be so disappointed. My friend Tiffany gave me these glitter palettes, and they have come in handy in these videos. Thank you, girl. And just in my looks, because sometimes I just like to rock a hot pink glitter. Don't worry. Now I'm going to use the silver to glitter. Oh, I've never used the silver before. What? Oh. So I'm going to use the silver to glitter up that corner. Oh my goodness, yes. Yeah, that would look better with white, but I'm not mad. I know I've got white somewhere, but I don't want to look for it. Oh yeah, I'm not mad at that at all. Not mad, not mad, no. Did anyone watch the show Glam Masters on Lifetime? Yes, I was told about it because someone said that I should be on it, which thank you. I am not as talented as they are, but I appreciate the kind words. Touching up the bottom a little bit because that silver is it is intense, so I'm getting the green to go all the way over to it. And we're done with glitter. I've got a lot in my eyes. I am going to brush away some excess because there's quite a bit of it. And now I'm going to add mascara. So I'm going to try this mascara. It is Wonder Beauty Unleashed. I got it in my BoxyCharm. I've never used it before. So it's a nice little wand. I like that. Look at that wand. That's fun. Oh my gosh. It is just like, I don't like this mascara. It's like making my lashes clump together. That's why I need the clump crusher. So guys, this is my eye look. Are you living? I'm living. Look at, I honestly, that silver I feel like looks better in the mirror than it does in the camera. Mine is definitely not as clean as the picture, like nowhere near as clean, but I would wear this out. I'm feeling it. Look at that. Look at that silver and that blue and that green. Oh, so many colors. Okay guys, so yeah, let me know if there's anything else you wanna see, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm digging this. It's a little more, like, especially with all the silver I've got going on, it's a little more extra than I would usually do, but not too much extra. Like, I would wear this. Anyway, yeah, that's all I got. So until next time, stay fancy. Bye.